All new 2011 Nissan Frontier PRO4X for sale now. This new Frontier features 4 doors. Got 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, first and second row curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, ABS and driveline traction control, stability control, privacy glass, deep, metal look dash trim, tachometer, bucket front seats, split rear bench, fold-up cushion rear seats, tilt adjustable steering wheel, speed proportional power steering, suspension class, regular, manual front air conditioning, tire pressure monitoring system, vehicle emissions, ULEV, fuel type, regular unleaded, fuel capacity, 21.1 gallons, instrumentation, low fuel level, clock, in radio display, driver's seat head restraint whiplash protection with passenger seat, coil front spring, regular front stabilizer bar, independent front suspension classification, double wishbone front suspension, front independent suspension, leaf rear spring, rigid axle rear suspension, leaf ray,